And Al Franken. Al Franken, you are a great American. How are you?
There used to be an old Currier and Ives print about the snakes in the Congress.
Congressman Francis Rooney trading in his penny loafers for waders. He ventured out into some canals in eastern Collier County late last night. That's where pythons stalk their prey and where the congressman...
Listen, we've worked really hard to get ready here in Corpus Christi. The houses are boarded. People in low-lying areas are evacuated. Now we've just got to hunker down and see what happens.
But these were resilient people who were waiting and really said, we'll wait it out. We'll stay here in this place.
Living in a lonely world.
Is a key tool to reaching customers.
To engage small businesses, meals and nutrition, but for many of the seniors, it is a chance for social contact and to engage with someone for a little while.